Hey there, viewers! Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. Have you ever heard about printable flashcards for kids' education? Well, you're about to explore into a world of creativity, learning, and entrepreneurial success. We'll take you on a journey from idea to a polished product with AI by your side. We'll show you how AI can turn your ideas into stunning illustrations, and we'll reveal a genius trick to make your business stand out and earn even more. We've got tons of valuable content coming your way. The often underestimated product in question has managed to accumulate an impressive revenue of approximately $280,000 with surprisingly minimal competition. Today, in this video, I'm excited to unveil a comprehensive guide on how you can embark on a similar entrepreneurial journey, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, AI. Together, we will embark on a transformative journey, starting from the inception of ideas with just a few clicks, all the way to the creation of a polished final product. Now, let's dive headfirst into our discussion, which revolves around printable flashcards designed for children's education. These flashcards represent an engaging and interactive method for children to enhance their learning experience. They can effortlessly associate images with corresponding words, covering a wide range of topics such as animals, shapes, numbers, colors, and more. To embark on this journey, we first need to acquaint ourselves with a remarkable tool called Marmalade. This platform enables you to conduct keyword research on Etsy, pinpointing high-demand keywords with minimal competition. Additionally, it provides insights into trending keywords, guiding you to target the most promising ones. This initial step is crucial because it ensures that your efforts are focused on digital products that possess a balance between demand and competition. In the world of printable flashcards, there's a high demand and engagement, coupled with low competition. A search on Etsy confirms this demand, and Google Trends shows a consistent increase in interest, making it an opportune time to enter this niche. Additionally, I'll share a strategy in this video to make your flashcards stand out and attract buyers. Now, you might be curious about how I stumbled upon this lucrative idea. The answer lies in my exploration of winning digital products with the assistance of ChatGPT. Among the listed ideas, printable flashcards caught my attention. This revelation opened my eyes to the vast potential within this business niche. It became evident that people were selling an array of flashcards catering to various niches and categories. This diversity highlights the multitude of avenues through which one can generate income within this business sphere. Later in this video, I will unveil a simple technique that will enable you to generate unique ideas effortlessly. When we examine these listings more closely, we find that many of them boast consistent reviews, indicating that their products are in high demand and sell well. For instance, one store generates over $6,000 in monthly revenue and has accumulated over $280,000 since its inception. Another store achieves a monthly income of $5,500 and has earned a total of $110,000. The most intriguing aspect is that the level of competition remains relatively low, making it significantly easier for newcomers to make sales. In addition, I will share a marketing tactic later in this video that will set you apart from your competitors, enabling you to maximize your earnings. In the initial stages of our business journey, we focus on brainstorming ideas for our product. There are two effective methods to approach this task. The first method involves researching existing competitors on platforms like Etsy, analyzing various aspects of their offerings, such as the number of flashcards, design styles, images, product descriptions, and customer reviews. This analysis provides valuable insights to create a superior product that stands out. The second method, which is a personal favorite, involves using ChatGPT to streamline idea generation. By requesting the chatbot to provide 10 flashcard ideas within a specific niche, like animals, we receive innovative ideas with detailed explanations. This diverse range of ideas, from animal names to sounds and families, offers ample inspiration. In particular, the idea of creating flashcards featuring animal sounds is appealing, especially to children. To create polished flashcards, we rely on AI-powered image generation tools, with MidJourney as the top choice due to its customization options and image quality at an affordable price. Leonardo.ai offers a free alternative with high-quality images that can be used for commercial purposes without the need for a subscription. To enhance your viewing experience, I will conduct a side-by-side comparison of these two tools in a later segment of this video. Before we proceed further, it's essential to craft a suitable prompt. A prompt acts as a guiding phrase for AI image generators, helping them understand your requirements. I prefer to keep the prompt simple, breaking it down into 3 components: the subject, style, and customization. Based on ChatGPT's recommendation of a dog illustration, our prompt subject is clear, which is dogs. As for the style, we are opting for the charming Disney cartoon style, particularly suitable for children. Lastly, in terms of customization, I prefer a white background, as this allows for seamless background removal in the future. With our prompt established, we can now observe the AI image generation process in action. Upon generating images from both MidJourney and Leonardo.ai, we can appreciate the quality differences. MidJourney produces images of superior quality, marked by exceptional detail and clarity. On the other hand, Leonardo.ai offers respectable image quality, though it falls slightly short when compared to MidJourney. However, it's important to remember that both options are viable, and the choice ultimately depends on your preferences and budget. With the illustrations successfully generated, the next exhilarating phase involves designing the flashcards themselves. Fortunately, Canva offers a user-friendly flashcard maker tool that allows you to create printable flashcards effortlessly and without any associated costs. A quick Google search for Canva Flashcard Maker will lead you to this invaluable resource. Within Canva's extensive library, you'll discover a variety of flashcard templates that are fully customized. First, you can upload the illustrations generated earlier using MidJourney or Leonardo.ai. Then, select a template that resonates with your theme or topic. Once you've chosen a template, the process becomes as simple as dragging and dropping your illustrations into place. However, there's one crucial step we can't overlook: the removal of the background. If you are a Canva Pro user, this task becomes a breeze, as you can eliminate backgrounds with just a single click. This feature ensures that your flashcards maintain a clean and professional appearance. To create versatile flashcards, you can adjust the illustration size, change word labels, alter card colors, and choose fonts. It's important to create 3 versions of the flashcards: one with both illustration and word, one with only illustrations, and one with only words, catering to different learning styles and a wider audience. Now that you've successfully crafted your printable flashcards, let's explore a powerful marketing strategy that will set your business apart from competitors and elevate your earnings. Take a moment to observe your competitors. You'll likely notice that they offer bundles of flashcards as their primary product. While this approach is effective, we can take it a step further to truly stand out on platforms like Etsy. The secret lies in offering something extra, something that adds exceptional value to your product. In this context, consider including coloring pages related to the same educational niche as your flashcards. Using AI tools like MidJourney or similar alternatives, creating these coloring pages is a straightforward process. The chatbot can guide you through generating coloring pages with ease. By incorporating this bonus offering into your product, you provide customers with an unexpected delight. This marketing tactic, widely employed by successful businesses, can significantly influence potential buyers' decisions. When customers realize that your package includes both top-notch flashcards and bonus coloring pages, they are more likely to make a purchase without hesitation. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey within the realm of printable flashcards, remember that your potential for success is substantial. By consistently creating different designs and listing them on platforms like Etsy, you can expect to see positive results. The combination of high demand, low competition, and the added value of coloring pages positions your business for success. To further boost your sales and enhance your visibility, I will reveal an ingenious technique to generate unique ideas effortlessly with just a few clicks. This video reveals a promising opportunity in printable flashcards for children's education. It covers idea generation with AI, creating high-quality flashcards, and a unique marketing strategy. The niche offers high demand and low competition, making it favorable for success. Dedication, consistent effort, providing value, and refining products are key to achieving significant financial success in this field. And there you have it. We've reached the end of another incredible video. We hope you're as excited as we are about the world of printable flashcards and AI-powered creativity. Thank you for tuning in and being part of our YouTube community. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and remember, the world of opportunities is just a click away with AI. Catch you in the next video.